Hello everybody, this is a typewriter Olivetti M20 with long carriage from 1928. It was the second model made by Olivetti after the M1. It was much simpler to be built and Olivetti sold 80,000 of these typewriters. It has the knob in plastic. First M20s had the knob in brass. The layout of the keyboard is Italian layout with accented letters. Many time has passed. The tie rod of the carriage is broken, but I have some spare parts. In the 80 years I sold spare parts and still I have some. I know many of you are better technicians than me, and my repair will not be so professional. I'd like to have you here with me. We could also take a tea together while listening good music, but you are not here, so I have to repair it by myself with the spare parts I have. Here there is a mechanic of the moving of the carriage of this typewriter. I'm lucky because it's fully exposed. In this case I have an hook. I fix it on the pull cord. Done. Then I fix the tie rod on the hook of the typewriter's carriage. I use this tool. I remember it. It's a tool specific for dealing with springs. Once a time I sold a lot of these. All the typewriters repairer had to have one. Okay, I'm near. Okay, done. After this I charge the spring in the wheel. It works nicely now. Okay, let's see the typewriter. Here you can change the color of the ribbon. This lever is to change the ribbon direction. These are the margins. This is the margin bypass. This is the bell mechanism. And here there is a mechanism to prevent you from typing after you hit the margin. The bell advises when you are near to the margin, do you see? After some characters there is another mechanism, so that when you are at the end of the line, a lever gets in the way and prevents you to write further. Let's try writing something from Dante's Inferno. It's not the video game, it's also a book from 1314. Still works perfectly. Thanks for watching.